To inspect or replace the drive belt on your Sportsman 500, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface. Ensure it is in park, and set the parking brake. On X.2 models, lift the cargo box before continuing. Next, lift on the rear of the seat and pull back to remove. Next, move to the left side of the vehicle and remove the 4 footwell pushpin rivets. Then, remove the 4 fasteners and nuts from the bottom of the footwell. X.2 and Touring models will have 6 fasteners and nuts. Continue by pivoting the footwell away from the body panels to disengage the retaining tabs and remove from the vehicle. Then, loosen the clamp on the PVT air outlet duct hose. Next, on X.2 and Touring models, remove the upper passenger footwell support fastener. Then, pull the bottom support out of the chassis to remove. Next, remove the 8 clutch cover fasteners. Then, pull the cover out and pivot the rear down to separate from the air duct hose. Once separated, pivot the cover off the vehicle. Continue by inspecting the cover seal and replace if necessary. Before removing, take note of the drive belt direction of rotation. The belt must be installed in the same direction if reusing. Next, squeeze the belt in the center to spread the clutch sheaves. Then, carefully walk the belt off the driven clutch and remove from the drive clutch. Inspect the belt for any fraying, hourglassing, loose cords, missing cogs, abrasions, burns, or damage, and replace if needed. Next, clean out the inside of the clutch covers thoroughly and ensure all debris around the PVT and entire clutch air duct is removed. Any sign of oil leaks indicates that debris may be trapped behind the clutches. A mobile device can be used to see behind the clutches. If replacing the belt, the part number on the belt should face outward when installed. Next, loop the belt over the drive clutch and begin to walk it over the driven clutch sheave. The belt may catch the bottom of the sheave when installing. If this happens, push down on the bottom of the belt and continue working over the sheave. Continue by spinning the driven clutch 5 to 7 times to help seat the belt. Next, reinstall the clutch cover into the air duct hose and ensure the duct is fully seated. Then, reinstall the 8 cover fasteners. Ensuring the crankcase breather hose clip is properly retained in the clutch cover. Continue by torquing the fasteners until fully seated. On X.2 and Touring models, insert the passenger footwell support into the chassis while guiding the upper portion under the body panel. Then, reinstall the upper support fastener and torque until fully seated. Continue by positioning the hose clamp over the assembly and tightening until fully seated. Next, pivot the footwell into the body panels and engage the tabs on the fenders. Before continuing, ensure the retention channel in the footwell is engaged with the front and rear fenders. Then, align the footwell supports with the mounting holes in the footwells, and reinstall the footwell fasteners and nuts. Continue by torquing the fasteners until fully seated. Then, reinstall the 4 push-pin rivets into the front and rear body panels. Finally, install the seat by aligning the front retaining tabs and pushing down in the rear. On X2 models, lower the cargo box and ensure it is secure. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.